Hi Ram Sadish, welcome back. The world is grappling with COVID-19 pandemic and it has made a huge impact on this planet. It has affected each and every single human being living on this planet, from beggar to millionaire. The world countries been united and they blaming China for the outbreak of this disease. But China yet to accept the mistake because there is not enough evidence to show to the world that particular coronavirus is developed in the Chinese laboratory. So as far as COVID-19 pandemic is concerned, there was a recent development on September 11, 2020. Chinese virologist Li Mengyan openly made an announcement in the British talk show named Lu Zuman, and she said that she got enough evidence to show the world that this particular virus is developed in the organ laboratory which is controlled by Chinese government. In fact, she blamed the government of China and World Health Organization because they know about this human to human transmission COVID-19 virus well in advance than it was reported. Dr. Li Mengyan is a Chinese virologist who works at Hong Kong School of Public Health. During the early stage of outbreak, she conducted two research on the new pneumonia outbreak in Wuhan city. So one research happened between December to January and another one happened in the mid of January. From her studies, she found out this particular coronavirus is developed in the Wuhan laboratory controlled by China. In fact, she reported this matter to her supervisor and she was expecting a good result from her supervisor on behalf of Chinese government. But things did not go the way she wanted and she's been asked to keep quiet, otherwise she would be made to disappear from this planet. So it's a life-threatening moment for her. Then she decided to move from Hong Kong to United States of America and she moved to United States of America. At the time of Chinese New Year, there was a big transportation took place between China to the rest of the world. She doesn't want to keep quiet about this disease. She decided to tell to the world. In fact, on January 17, she approached a famous Chinese YouTuber who is from United States of America. So she explained to him that this Chinese hiding this COVID-19 virus because this human to human transmission already occurred in the past. This SARS-CoV-2 is a highly mutant virus. It can be soon be outbreak. And Chinese fabricated story of this virus is originated from the wet market or another or intermediary horse. It's all fake. It's all fabricated story. This particular virus, it is based on the Chinese Military Institute. They developed and owned some of the bad coronavirus. That is EC45 and EZCX41. Based on that, they modified and it's become novel coronavirus. Dr. Li Mengyan dismissed the Chinese report suggesting that this particular COVID-19 virus is originated from the China's wet market. In fact, she said she gained intelligence from the Chinese Center for Disease and Prevention, doctors, local doctors, and Chinese population. Based on her studies, she is preparing a detailed scientific report along with few scientists. And very soon, she is going to publish two reports. The first one to tell the world about the scientific evidence she has gathered on this particular COVID-19 virus. And second one, the genome sequence is like our human fingerprint. So anybody can recognize and identify. In fact, she used samples from the genome sequence of SARS-CoV-2 to tell the people why this particular virus is originated from China, why they are the one responsible for it. In fact, it's very critical for everybody as to know because it's a life-threatening for anybody living on this planet. Now, in fact, she's continuously getting life-threatening moments from across the board from the Chinese. Now, she say that as a doctor, it is my duty to tell the world about the origin of this disease. And she alleged Chinese government for they employing people to erasing her information because already her Twitter account was deleted. So whatever it may be, so we have to wait until the detailed report she is going to publish to the public. Based on that, we can identify this particular COVID-19 virus is originally made in the Chinese laboratory or not. Thank you very much.